Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Afterpay credit card. Afterpay is a popular buy now pay later service that allows you to make purchases and pay for them in 4 equal installments. The Afterpay credit card takes this concept a step further by providing a physical card that can be used to make purchases in store and online. To get started with the Afterpay credit card, you will need to apply for the card through the Afterpay website or mobile app. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to complete the application process. Once you have been approved for the card, you will receive a physical card in the mail and you can start making purchases immediately. When you make a purchase with the Afterpay credit card, you will need to pay a quarter of the purchase amount up front, and the remaining balance will be split into 3 equal installments. You will have 6 weeks to pay off the full amount, and you will not be charged any interest as long as you make your payments on time. One of the key benefits of the Afterpay credit card is that it does not require a credit check to apply. This makes it a great option for people who may not have a strong credit history or who are looking to avoid a credit inquiry. Additionally, the Afterpay credit card does not charge any interest or fees as long as you make your payments on time. To use the Afterpay credit card effectively, it is essential to make your payments on time. Late payments can result in fees and may also negatively impact your credit score. It is also important to only make purchases that you can afford to pay off within the 6-week time frame. This will help you avoid overspending and accumulating debt. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to set up automatic payments to ensure that your installments are paid on time. You can also use the Afterpay mobile app to track your purchases and payments and to receive notifications when a payment is due. By following these best practices, you can use the Afterpay credit card responsibly and avoid any potential pitfalls. In conclusion, the Afterpay credit card is a great option for people who want to make purchases and pay for them in installments. By understanding how the card works and by using it responsibly, you can take advantage of the benefits that it offers while avoiding any potential drawbacks. Remember to always make your payments on time and to only make purchases that you can afford to pay off within the 6-week time frame.